We are supposed to give the African woman a voice. African women must be given a voice, and African women must be heard. How do we do it? By using all the media, all the social media. Let the African woman become computer literate, know how to enter computer, search things in the internet, know how to get information. Google, and then you can get so many information that you want. We shouldn't sit after cable and allow life to just pass us by. Get involved. Get involved. As a woman, don't just pack yourself just because you've made 3 children or 4 children. Get involved. Dress well. And forget about all of these hangings, because sometimes you see African woman, you can easily notice her and see major responsibility or problem all over. Because the president is hanging here, the other one is dangling here, everything is just hanging. Get the right fixed up. Get a voice. Hello? Do you still love me? You better do. Well, I'm ending up here. What are we supposed to do? Be encouraged to change our culture. We must be encouraged to adopt to any culture that promotes awareness. Are you getting me? Yes. You can't stay here and then you are still doing the same thing that those in Somalia are doing. Adjust and adopt to cultural change. These things will help us. Go to school, speak the language, give your children the best you can. And then as we do those things, I believe that when we get up and we begin to fight FGM, we begin to fight the fight for widows, we begin to fight the cost of early marriages, people will listen to us. But when we look haggard, tired and wretched, nobody will listen to us. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much for your spirit and encouraging the women to go forward.